Hi, and welcome to the Life of a Jackass. Today's tip is MD5 with C#.NET. A lot of people want to know how they can pass a string in to return the hash, and I've been working a lot lately with MD5 with my Gravatar user control that I'm working on. So I'll go ahead and share that with you guys. First thing we need to do is set up our function, and we're going to go ahead and call that MD5. Then we're going to create an overload email as a string, and we're going to use email in this sake because I'm going to show you how to test this using Gravatar. Now we got our function set up. First thing we need to do is declare X as a new MD5 descriptor service. So next we're going to set up a variable byte called data. Then we're going to go ahead and do byte data equals system.text dot. See, there's an encoder and encoding. We want encoding. We want. I can't type today. And we want to get bytes, and we are going to pass our email overload. Since we're going to be returning a string as the hash, we better go ahead and set that up real quick. So and we'll go ahead and fill that with nothing. Now we need to loop through our data and get it in the correct format so we can push it out. So what we're going to do is for our integer I equals 0 is no less than that our data.length, and we want to progress that by 1, and we're going to return equals return plus our data. And since we set up our data is being used as an array, so our data I, just like that, dot toString. A lot of people wonder what this here is, the X2. The X is a format specifier, and there's about 6 or 7 of them, I believe. And the 2 is called precision specifier. I might talk about that a little later. And we want this to go to all lowercase. And we're going to go ahead and return our variable return. There you have it. That's your MD5 function. If you try to run this, it would build and it should no errors. But oops. In a perfect world that would work. So I messed something up. Oh. Make sure you close those off with braces. That slipped my mind. And yes, my mind is not here, fellas. I'm sorry about that. my mind is actually with Visual Basic right now, because I've been doing a lot of work with NET, and the VBIDE automatically fills in your braces, your quotations. As soon as you press enter, it'll automatically fill in the gaps for you, and I've become lazy in my coding techniques, and I've been taking that for granted. So now with the proper braces intact, you can see the application that I correctly. Now to test it, we can go ahead and we'll use a simple message box on the form load event. So we'll just do a simple message box show. Then we're going to pass our MD5 function and our overload. I'll use my email address. Now when we compile, it should message box open, and again I took Visual Basic for granted and C#, and I forgot to add my closing brace for the message box. Maybe I should be the one watching the video on tips. So we go ahead and compile, and here's our hash. You can test this with other websites that offer hash using PHP. You can go to just about anywhere to test it, and you'll see that it'll always return the same value. So there's your MD5 hash. If you have any questions, visit lifeofajackass.com. Either leave a comment on one of the posts you have a question about, or click the contact tab and send me an email. If you'd like to see any other videos, tips, tricks, let me know. Thanks for watching.